attention athlete, it's time to prepare for the VinFast IROMAN World Championship in Nice.
Here we are on the Promenade des Anglais to guide you through transition and bike check-in.
On Saturday from 2 p.m. until 6 p.m., join us at the Promenade des Anglais for athlete bike and gear check-in, mandatory for all participants. First, drop off your swim to bike bag. Volunteers will take your T1 gear bag and hang it up for you. Next, rack your bike. Then proceed to the T2 gear bag racks to hang your run gear bag. Finally, exit the transition area onto Avenue Max Gallo.
Now you're prepped and ready to conquer the course.
Get ready for an amazing race in the VinFast IROMAN World Championship.